Okay, James G here. A little clip about ridge tiles, how to put them on, and also like how not to put them on. And we see here around the Bangor Rugby Club, where they've come off. They've just never been put off right. They've never ever taken to the bed, and the bed is, well, the whole design of the roof. You can see a couple here across the road, which is they've been repaired, but I mean they're not the right sort of tiles. They're not the right color. They're black instead of grey, and they're the wrong angle. I don't even think they're the right make, but they look absolutely terrible. They just look absolutely ridiculous. So get a little shot of the ones that we stuck on, where basically you just don't notice them. It just looks like the way they're supposed to look. They're not standing out or anything. You can see here, there's the one we just finished from the other ones. Now, there's another job in Lisburn here, which it's a parapet roof, and it's absolutely ridiculously high. Now, to get a cherry picker for this, the cherry picker was working out, I think, over £1,000. Which actually started off at something like 400 quid, and then it's like the driver, and there's VAT, and there's delivery, and all kinds of stuff. So we actually knocked up a double bay quick stage with Stevie, and 3 lift and 2 lift, and then we moved got one side done, and then we moved it over to the other side. And then just dropped the whole lot. So it was a hell of a lot going, but it was up and down in one day. You can see the way we've stabilized it off the van there. But again, you can see the way we've primed all the ridge tiles, and really that's the key to the whole thing. If they're not going to take, they're not going to take, especially if you put them on in warm weather. But anyway, you can see these here, they're big high ceilings, and even though they're almost ridiculous to access, they don't even put the ridge tiles on right, which, the whole thing's completely absurd. Anyway, there's a lesson for you what not to do in ridge tiles.